Welcome, I'm Ingrid, and I am so glad that you're here today with me. We are going to do a Dollar Tree shop with me and haul, so make sure you stay till the end. The minute that I walked through the Dollar Tree, I noticed everything was like disheveled. There was stuff on the floor. It just did not look inviting, and I really almost walked out, but I decided since I was already there, just take a look around, and I'm so glad that I gave it a chance. And so I wanted to encourage you today to do the same. Honestly, nothing made sense with the placement, so I'm glad that I took a minute and just looked. Look how adorable these bandanas are. The print is so cheerful and summery. These would really be great for journal covers as well as pages in between. They also have this pink and white print, and you're getting 2 bandanas for $1.25. I always take a look at the bags at Dollar Tree, and look how adorable this print is. I think that this would be really great on the cover of a journal or in between, or even cut up and used in the pages, or you can even just use it as a tote bag. They also had them in just a plain color, so without any print on them. And so you guys know that I love using, or actually foraging through Dollar Tree to find fabrics that I can use. And I think that a white fabric is always a great go-to. While we talk about fabric, I thought that these bandanas were really great. They had a lot of different patterns, and I believe they're kind of like the wraparound or infinity, and so you can just cut it apart and use it. But they had a lot of really fun prints. I love this floral here. It's very Hawaiian, and this blue and white is very pretty. Is there a fun way that you like to use fabric in your journals? Okay, now this is not a journal item at all, unless you wanted to take apart the beads and use them, or even just use the beads on the side. You could actually use this as a bookmark, I guess. It's a little bulky, but how adorable are these little beads? They're just so fun and cute. Here's my take on the sticker section. First, I think that it always looks like it's the same products and they don't have anything new. And a lot of times it looks like this, where people have picked through it and just left a mess in their trail. But I'm so glad that I looked through, because I found some items that I hadn't seen before. Look how adorable this stamp set is. Dollar Tree is really upping their game with their stamps. And as you guys saw on one of my previous videos when I tried them out, they actually have a really crisp image, so definitely a must-have. These stickers may have always been there, but I had never noticed them before. So they're kind of textured. I don't know if it shows up on screen. And I think these would be a lot of fun. You can also distress them to take away some of the shininess and make them a little bit more grungy, but they're really pretty. These florals, I think, would go perfect with a lot of different themes. I've done another Dollar Tree video where we talked about paint, and a lot of you had said stay away from the paint, but I can tell you that this brand of paint is really good. It's a heavy-bodied acrylic, and it rivals some of like the very much more expensive brands. It's definitely one that I would recommend, especially if you don't have any. I would get colors like black and white. Also, brown is really great for junk journaling. Yellows or tans. I know I've seen one that's like a buff color that I think is really great. They didn't have it here today. And also any bright color that you want to go with your journal if it matches the theme. This is a new product that I haven't seen before. They're these little pin cushions, and not only are they really cute, but when I picked it up, it's very sturdy, and I think that it would be really cute sitting on your desk. I was also thinking that you could open up your bulb pins and safety pins, stuff like that, and stick them in there and have them open and ready to use. Now, my store isn't usually this messy, but I don't know what had happened, if it was right after the weekend or what, but I almost really didn't look at anything, and I do want to encourage you that sometimes it does not look appealing. Just try to bypass that feeling and just look as if you're in maybe a thrift store. Because if I wouldn't have given this bundle of fabric a chance, I would have missed out on this beautiful blue and white fabric. I can't tell you the amount of times that I've walked past this display and then it just hit me over the head that these are really great needles for binding, and there's even thread in here which looks like it's a good quality. I'm going to guess if it's for a weave, then it's probably good quality, that it'll be sturdy enough to hold in a journal. Honestly, I think one of the favorite products that I saw today was in the hair section. Look at how adorable this fabric is. It is so stinking cute. They had other ones, but this one won my heart. I think that I'm going to be using this for sure. But make sure you look through. There's lots of stuff hidden in the back, so don't just walk by and think that you didn't find anything. Look how pretty this velvet fabric is, and it looks like it has stamped florals on it. So pretty. If there's anything I've learned from my trips to Dollar Tree, it's that I always need to check out the section of the purses, because you never know what new items they're going to get. And I was really excited because I've shown you this before in a haul that I did, and they have this color as well. But I found black, which I was saying that I was really hoping that they would have black, and now I found it. Make sure you stay tuned, because I am going to use this in an upcoming project, and you're not going to want to miss out. So if you're not already subscribed, this is a great time to do so, and to hit that bell so you get notified every time a new video comes out. This is a new stamp set that I had not seen before that was really cute, and it was stuck at the end cap. I don't even know why it would be there and not with the stamps, but it's really cute. It has some script, some florals, and then it has this like bike with florals on it. I think that that is a really pretty design. This floral here is adorable. I'm so glad that I stopped, because honestly, I never would have expected stamps to be over on this section. So again, make sure you're looking through the end caps and any place where you don't think something should be, because honestly, you never know, but it's worth the hunt. I am so glad that I didn't allow the disarray in the store and think that, I really did think that they didn't have anything new and that it was just a mess. That's the worst that my store has ever looked, and I'm glad I didn't, because look how adorable this tote bag is. I don't know if you can catch the type of fabric it is, but it's almost like a polyester. It kind of has like a gritty feel to it. I'm actually going to give this one to my daughter, but this would be a great cover for a journal. Wouldn't that be so pretty? And you could do it either direction. And I think that if you wanted to take it up a notch, you can even coffee dye it. Although I'm not sure how this fabric is going to take coffee, if it repels it or not. You know how some fabrics, it won't sink in. It has like a coating on it. This does feel polyester-y to me. I'm not sure. But anyways, definitely a must buy. I've shown you this purse that I got in the tan color, and I promise there is going to be a video coming out showing you how I use this, but I was super excited to find the black, and I can't wait to show you what we're going to do with this. So definitely a must buy. I also couldn't pass up the scrunchies, because this fabric is so sweet. I love this. Actually, this reminds me of that one kit I had. I cannot think of the name right now. I'll put it on the screen if I remember. But it kind of reminds me of those those colors. And I think this is fabric, so I'll be able to, yeah, unknot it. And then I have like a little piece of fabric here. It's a little triangle. So this can be cut up and used throughout a journal. It could be used as bookmarks. It could be used as page flags. It can be used just as like a piece, like a paper almost inside of a journal, like a an actual page. It can be used for the cover. I mean, there's so many uses to it. And if you wanted to use the scrunchy part, you could as well, maybe, or you could cut it and use the fabric as well. I also loved this fabric. It is so pretty. It is very similar to the bag, where it does feel, I think it's supposed to be, actually I'm not really sure what material this is supposed to be, and I cannot read that, but I think I'm a sucker for stripes, and blue and white are just, especially during summertime, I love it. I don't know, it gives me, even though I've never been there, it gives me Greek islands and just summer, just I love it. So this will definitely be making an appearance in a journal soon. I also went ahead and picked up these magnolias, and I believe that's a magnolia unless it's a peony, which if you know, let me know down below what flower you think this is, but to me it looks like magnolia, and it's one of my favorite trees and flowers. And so I actually had put it back, and then I went back and grabbed it because I don't have this one yet. And after the last video I did where we tried these out and the quality was really good, I decided to go back and grab these. And then the last thing that I bought, I actually got 2 packs of the bandanas, and I have to tell you that they are so pretty. The green is, it's very pretty. It's just like the regular bandana. Sorry, that was Barkley. He was saying hi. Maybe Barkley will get the green one. But this floral print is so gorgeous. It looks like a 70s vintage print. So I went ahead and got 2 because I know I'm going to go back and they're not going to have them. So I figured I'd go ahead and get them now. So that was it. That's everything from my haul. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it encourages you. Let's try that again. I hope that it encourages you, one, to shop your Dollar Tree like it's your Target and not leave because there's a mess all over the floor or there's boxes that are unpacked. Take your time, take a deep breath, and go back and maybe go through the aisles several times, because I promise you there's things that you will miss. I also find a store like Dollar Tree is very synonymous for people taking stuff off the shelf and putting it somewhere it doesn't belong. So make sure you have your eyes peeled on going down every aisle, because there might be surprises that you weren't expecting. And then 2, I hope this inspired you to look outside of the box with junk journaling supplies and hit your local Dollar Tree. A journal does not have to cost you an arm and a leg to make. You can literally make a journal. And if you haven't caught my series, I'll have it linked down below, but I have the Dollar Tree junk journal series where I started making a little journal using some coffee dyed papers and predominantly envelopes from Dollar Tree, and I have the full tutorial on how I've made this far, and we're going to keep going with that series and add to it. So make sure that if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to do so. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below of anything that you would like to see or any ideas that you have that you'd love to see a video on. So until next time, I love you guys so much. Bye.